KSR IET and Atal Academy, it gives me immense pleasure in inviting all the participants to 5 days online faculty development program on Internet of Things, organized by KSR IET and sponsored by AECT Training and Learning Academy. Be a lifelong student. The more you learn, the more you earn, and more self-confidence you will have. As most of the invitees and organizers are present, we shall start our inaugural functions with a prayer song. Now I invite Pavitra of KSR IET to sing a prayer song. Pavitra. Pavitra. Hello, Pavitra. Yes, Pavitra, are you on? Yes, I welcome all the participants to the inaugural functions of 5 days online faculty development program on Internet of Things that is organized by KSR IET and sponsored by Atal Academy. So now I invite Pavitra of first year IT to sing a prayer song for us to make this function a grand success.
Abhatpandava Narayana Anadarakshara Sadashiva Dina Bandhu Narayana Dina Naga Sadashiva Karuna Sagara Narayana Kripa Sindhu Sadashiva Bhakta Bhoshaka Narayana Bhukti-dayaka Sadashiva Adi-deva Narayana Deva-deva Sadashiva Adi-guru Narayana Jahat-guru Sadashiva Hari Om Narayana Hara Om Sadashiva Om Narayana Bam Sadashiva Hari Narayana Hara Sadashiva Hari Narayana Hara Sadashiva Hara Sadashiva Hara Sadashiva.
Okay, thank you, Pavitra. Let God bless all of us and help us to complete this faculty development program successfully. Now, I invite Dr. P. Meenakshi Devi, Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology, KSR IET, to welcome all the gatherings. Madam, I invite you to present the screen and welcome the gathering. She is the coordinator of this program, having more than 25 years of teaching experience. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Durga. A warm good morning to one and all participated in this FDP. It's my pleasure to welcome everyone to this important program. And before that, I would like to give a note on our campus. Our college is located in Namakkal district of Tamil Nadu. We have 16 institutions in our campus in 350 acres. It includes engineering, dental science and research, arts and science, education, polytechnic, schools, industrial training, etc. In total, 24,000 plus students are studying and 3,800 plus faculty and staff members are working in our campus. First of all, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our founder chairman, Lion Dr. K.S. Rangasamy MJF, who is the motivator for all of us in all our endeavors. I welcome you, sir. Next, I would like to extend my warm welcome to our Vice Chairman, Mr. R. Srinivasan, who is the driving force behind in all our activities. I welcome you, sir. It is my pleasure to welcome our Principal, Dr. M. Venkadeshan, who is providing the utmost support in all our activities. I welcome you, sir. Next, I would like to extend a special welcome to all our resource persons for this faculty development program. I welcome all the resource persons, sir. And next, I am so excited to have you all here to participate in this FDP, Internet of Things, organized by us. We have participants from all over India, and I hope this session will be a more useful one. And we have organized this FDP by inviting resource persons and experts from industries and from eminent institutions. I hope that this program will be more inspiring and useful to all of you. So I request you all to make use of this program. And once again, I welcome you all for the ATAL FDP on IoT Internet of Things at KSR IET. I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. I feel so privileged in inviting Dr. M. Venkadeshan, Principal of KSR IET, to facilitate all the participants. He is behind the success of each and every event in KSR IET. He encourages us to do this kind of program to update the skills of faculty. I invite you, sir, to give presidential address to all the faculties over India. Now the screen is yours, sir. You can present, sir.
Good morning to all. I am very much honored to witness this faculty development program on Internet of Things organized by Department of Information Technology this pleasant morning. So all of you know about the ATAL. So the main objective of ATAL is impart quality education in the country and particularly supporting in research, innovation and entrepreneurship through training in various emerging and thrust areas. During this COVID-19 pandemic situation, AICT has taken various quality initiatives to promote technical education in the country, which has also includes enhanced motivation on development of the faculty in the colleges across the country. ATAL is one of the AICT's initiatives which has been conducting various faculty development programs for imparting faculty knowledge in thrust and emerging areas. This year, 478 FDP in various emerging areas are going to be conducted in online mode. 38 such FDPs are starting today. In our college, we are organizing 2 faculty development programs this week. One by mechanical department in 3D printing and design, and another one by information technology department in Internet of Things. In this wonderful occasion, I would like to thank AICTE for sanctioning 2 faculty development programs for our college. In this occasion, I am very glad to share that our college ranked in top 50 in the band B of AICTE national level ARIA ranking 2020. So this lockdown period, AICTE has taken good initiative in this pandemic situation to impart technical knowledge enhancement to faculty members. I think this is the right time to upgrade our skills, particularly in the technical field, uh, for doing the attending faculty development programs. I request all the participants to make use of this opportunity to enhance their knowledge in trust areas. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable address. Now, as one of the organizer of this program, myself, Dr. M. Durga Devi, Associate Professor of IT Department, I am interested in sharing you about the profile of KSR IET. Is KSR IET. KSR Institute for Engineering and Technology has been founded in the year 2011 by the man of great insight through R. Srinivasan. He is the younger son of Dr. Lion K.S. Rangasamy sir, who enlightens the society. The college is located in Tiruchengodu, Namakkal district, Tamil Nadu. The college is approved by AICT and affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. All the 5 departments of KSR IET are accredited by NBA. So the courses offered by KSR IET are Computer Science Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Information Technology, Mechanical Engineering, and then Biomedical Engineering is new in this year. PG courses, ME Embedded System Technologies, ME CAD/CAM, ME Software Engineering, and ME Big Data Analytics, and PhD course under Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So the vision of our institute is to become a globally recognized institution in engineering education, research, and entrepreneurship. And the mission is to accomplish quality education through improved teaching learning process, to enrich technical skills with the state-of-art laboratories and facilities, to enhance research and entrepreneurship activities to meet the industrial and societal needs. And the recent achievement made by KSR IET is it is ranked in the band of B in top 50 engineering self-financed institutions in India by Atal ranking of institution on innovation achievements. And the milestones of KSR IET is all the UG programs got NBA accreditation, and we have signed 15 MOUs and 6 COEs. 16 students have produced university ranks so far, and the college has certified Cambridge English Certified Exam Center since 2017. And we have a flagship program organizing institution, that is Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. VMware IT Academy Partnership Excellence Award is received in 2016 to 17. Dell EMC recognized external research and academic in the field of data science. And then the AICT is awarded Best College in Reformed Teaching Learning Process. So about the Department of Information Technology, the Department of IT was established in the year 2011 with the objective of producing competent IT professionals. The department offers one UG program, that is BTech IT Information Technology, and one PG program, ME Software Engineering. The UG program is accredited by NBA. The department is supported by very experienced and qualified faculty members. The faculties are doing research in the areas of data mining, wireless sensor networks, cloud computing, data analytics, etc. Both students and faculty members have been trained in contemporary areas to meet out the ever-changing industrial needs. The department is equipped with the state-of-art infrastructure and licensed software to help in self-learning and practice. So there is a short video to show about the department. Just I will show you. Video. பண்ணி Yes, thank you all. Now I invite another organizer, P. Keerthana, to deliver vote of thanks for this program.
Thank you, ma'am. I wish a very good morning to the Honorable Respected Chairman and Vice Chairman, beloved Principal, Head of Department, faculties, and participants of the program. I, Ms. P. Keerthana, organizer of FDP program and Faculty of Information Technology, regard this as an honor and privilege to extend vote of thanks on this occasion. Once a great man said, feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. So today I take this opportunity to put all my gratitude in the form of words. I thank our respected principal, Dr. M. Vengadeshan, who graced us with his presence and guidance. Thank you, sir, for sharing with us your words. You have been a constant support and you gave us a lot of encouragement to do our duties. Thank you, sir. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling month in advance like that. I say my heartfelt thanks to our respected Madam Dr. P. Meenakshi Devi, Head of Department and Atal FDP Coordinator, who always stand by us, guide us, lead us and motivate us in all aspects. We feel proud and thank you for making us feel happy with your valuable words, ma'am. I also like to mention sincere thanks to Dr. M. Durga Devi Madam, organizer and professor of information technology, for guiding us in all our activities. Ensure that we always do the right thing in the right way. I extend my gratitude to you, ma'am. I extend my sincere thanks to all the teaching and non-teaching staff for their enormous cooperation in the organization of the event. Last but not least, I thank all the participants for showing their interest in the program. I once again thank everyone for making this program as successful one. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you, Keerthana. So now we are expecting Dr. N. Balaji sir to join the session.